You're probably trying to start your science homework and trying to remember how and why we're converting kilometers to miles. This is going to be a short tutorial and review of today's lesson. Please open your workbooks to page 71, which is where we're today. First off, you're going to start by writing the crust. We write what the original measurement was. So the crust was 65 kilometers thick, and we don't know what that equals in miles. And so that's what we're going to learn today. The second step we do is we're going to make the original measurement a fraction. So I still have the crust, and below what I wrote 65 kilometers equals blank miles, I need to rewrite 65 kilometers over 1. Making it a fraction has not changed its value. Step 3 is to multiply the measurement fraction by the conversion 6/10 of a mile over 1 kilometer. That means 6/10 of a mile is equal to 1 kilometer. So as you see, I still have the 65 kilometers over 1, which is a fraction, and I'm going to multiply it by the conversion of 6/10 of a mile over 1 kilometer because they're equal to each other. I'm doing this because I want to get rid of the kilometers and have the unit be miles from now on. Step 4 is we're going to cross out the labels kilometer. So the only labels left are miles. We do this because if I have a kilometer in the numerator and then a kilometer in the denominator, they cancel each other out. And as you see, the only label left is miles. Last but not least, I multiply them. Since you see in the denominator, I only have the numbers 1 underneath the 65 kilometers and 1 underneath the 6/10 miles, I can just multiply the numerators. 65 kilometers times 6/10 of a mile equals 39 miles. I have to make sure where I wrote underneath the word crust, the original measurement, I need to fill in that blank and say how many miles the crust is thick. I hope this helped. Please come to school with the rest of your measurements conversions completed for the mantle lithosphere, the mantle asthenosphere, the mantle for the lower mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. I hope you have a good night. Thank you.